Unit 10, the first Olympic Games. Reading I. Complete the sentences with the words given below. A. We are having stew for lunch today. B. The demon was sent to the underworld for his disobedience to the gods. C. The sleeves of his coat were embroidered in gold. D. Smita was absolutely furious at having been cheated. E. Her wedding dress was absolutely exquisite. F. The prince inherited the kingship after his father's death. G. There was a great rejoicing when the Nepali football team won SAF U19 championship. H. The king mounted his horse and rode away from the palace. I. The government decreed that the following day would be a holiday on the occasion of Eid. J. It was wonderful to spend a week in the lush green countryside. B. Write if the following statements are true, false or not given based on the information given in the text. A. Tantalus, Father Zeus was also half god and half man. Not given. B. Tantalus wanted to take revenge with the gods. Not given. C. The gods revived Pelops to rule in Elis. False. D. Princess Hippodamia was impressed with Pelops at the first sight. True. E. Hippodamia wanted to kill the king so that she could inherit the kingdom. False. F. The Olympic Games were not held for about 1,500 years due to the fear of the earthquake. False. G. In every Olympic Games the torch is carried from Greece. True. C. Answer these questions. A. Who was Tantalus? Answer. Tantalus was a figure from ancient Greek mythology who was half god and half human. His father was Zeus, the king of the gods. B. Why were the gods angry with him? Answer. The gods were angry with Tantalus because he decided to kill his son Pelops and serve him as a stew to the gods at a dinner he was hosting. C. What punishment did gods give Tantalus? Answer. As punishment for his crime, the gods sent Tantalus to the underworld where he was made to stand in water up to his neck forever. D. What special qualities did the horses of the king and Pelops have? Answer. The horses given to Pelops by the gods were snow white and could run faster than the wind. The king's horses were magical and could run faster than lightning. E. What was the risk of proposing Princess Hippodamia? Answer. The risk of proposing to Princess Hippodamia was that if Pelops lost the chariot race against her father, he would be executed. F. How did the stable boy help Pelops win the race? Answer. The stable boy helped Pelops win the race by replacing the bronze pins that held the wheels of the king's chariot with pins made of candle wax. When the race began, the wax melted, causing the wheels to fall off and the king's chariot to crash, allowing Pelops to win. G. How did the king die? Answer. The king died after the wheels of his chariot flew off during a horse race with Pelops. The wax pins that held the wheels in place had melted in the heat, causing the chariot to crash and the king to be thrown to his death. H. Why did Pelops and Hippodamia organize a feast? Answer. Pelops and Hippodamia organized a feast to celebrate the victory of Pelops in the chariot race against the old king. I. How did the events of the feast become the origin of modern Olympic Games? Answer. The events of the feast became the origin of the modern Olympic Games because Pelops established a tradition of holding athletic competitions in honor of Zeus, which eventually led to the creation of the Olympic Games. J. How is the Olympic torch lit? Answer. The Olympic torch is lit from the rays of the sun on the Olympic fields in Greece. D. What is the significance of the Olympic Games in the world today? Discuss. Answer. The Olympic Games have a significant impact on the world today. They bring together people from different countries and cultures in a spirit of friendly competition, promoting international understanding and cooperation. Additionally, the Games inspire millions of people to participate in sports and lead active lives, contributing to physical fitness and healthy lifestyles. The Games also have significant economic and cultural impacts, providing a platform for countries to showcase their cultural heritage and promote tourism. As the Games continue to evolve, their importance in the world will only continue to grow. Grammar I. Complete the text below with present perfect or present perfect continuous tense of verbs in the brackets. Kaski, Pokhara, the 21st of August. Hi Nima. Just a quick note from Pokhara. We have been here for 2 days now. We have been staying in a hotel in Lakeside since we arrived. By now, we have already visited many places of interest here. I feel really excited to be here. We have not been to Sarangkot yet. We plan to go there too. I have always wished to go paragliding, have been convincing my parents for this. How have you been spending your holidays? I guess you have been visiting your grandparents. Please have a great time. We will have great fun back at school. With love, Nirjala. B. Complete the sentences below with present perfect or present perfect continuous tense of the verbs given in the brackets. A. Siddhartha has learned to drive just in 10 years. B. It has been raining all summer. There have been floods and landslides in many places. C. Palden. You must have finished the book. I think you have been reading it since last week. Ricky. No, I haven't finished it yet. Actually, I started it just yesterday. D. What have you been cooking for so long? E. You have promised to help me many times. You really need to help me today. F. The children have their exams next week. So they have been preparing a lot. G. The film is really wonderful. Have you watched it yet? H. Sitaram has been painting his house all day. He has not finished it yet. I. Finally, they have fixed the leakage in their roof. J. I am so tired now. I have worked hard lately. Writing I. Read the following paragraph about the popular footballer and answer the questions. A. Which sentence is the topic sentence of the paragraph? Answer. The topic sentence of the paragraph is, English footballer David Beckham became a popular player in the late 1990s. B. Are the other sentences related to the topic sentence? Answer. Yes, the other sentences in the paragraph are related to the topic sentence. They provide additional information about Beckham's popularity, his skills as a player, his leadership qualities, and his achievements. C. Which sentence concludes the paragraph? Answer. The sentence that concludes the paragraph is, he is still loved by many even after his retirement. D. Are the topic and concluding sentences similar or different? Answer. The topic and concluding sentences are different. The topic sentence introduces the main idea of the paragraph, which is Beckham's popularity, while the concluding sentence summarizes the paragraph by stating that he is still loved by many even after his retirement. B. Write a similar paragraph about your favorite player. Mark the topic, supporting and concluding sentences in your paragraph. Topic. My favorite player, Lionel Messi. Supporting sentences. Lionel Messi, the Argentine football sensation, has captured the hearts of millions with his extraordinary skills and unrivaled talent on the field. With his incredible dribbling, lightning-fast pace, and clinical finishing, Messi has mesmerized fans worldwide. His ability to effortlessly glide past defenders and create goal-scoring opportunities is unparalleled. Moreover, his remarkable vision and pinpoint accuracy in passing make him an exceptional playmaker, constantly elevating the level of his teammates' performances. Throughout his illustrious career, Messi has consistently delivered exceptional performances, breaking numerous records and winning multiple individual and team accolades. Concluding sentence. In conclusion, Lionel Messi's incredible abilities, relentless determination, and unmatched consistency have firmly established him as my favorite player. His impact on the game of football is immeasurable, leaving an indelible mark on the sport's history and inspiring generations to come.